Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. CMA final and CMA inter June 2026 examinations are already over. I hope all you are written your examinations are very well. And you know already our result date, August 5, 2026. Definitely we can get our results in positive manner. Don't worry about it. And next, one important update. If you are already written your examinations very well, if you are confident about your result, take 1 week gap. Yes, you in this 1 week you can spend with your family members, friends also. Yes, you can plan any trips and anything also. 1 week or 1.5 week, yes, you can spend quality time with your friends and family. But after that, so you can learn anything. That means you can join in any audit firm also. Yes, either you can learn advanced Excel or you can learn any SAP as well as tally courses also. Anything you can join. But second category, if you are not confident about your result, don't wait for result. After 1 week or 1.5 week, yes, you have to start your preparation. So you know what are the mistakes you done earlier. So now you have to rectify that mistake and you have to start your preparation immediately. Yes, you also can take 1 week or 1.5 week break. Yes, after that, please start your preparation immediately. Yes. So now in this video, I want to tell you one important update related to December 2026 examination and that related classes. Yes. First, I want to tell you our institution related information. This date is very important for us. Yes. 21st 6 2025. Exactly, I think 1 year back. Yes, this is only our inauguration date. So we announced the batches on this date. When we announced the batches, first day after that announcement, I think June 12th or June 13th, we made an announcement for this batch. On the day, we got, first day itself, after announcement, within half an hour, we got 3 admissions. Yes, with that motivation, yes, we completed these all the batches in face-to-face as well as online manner for December examinations. December 2025 examination, we completed regular batches for final and EO batches for final and inter-regular batch in face-to-face as well as online. Not in online, both face-to-face, online. So then we travel to June 26 batch. June 26 regular, June 26 EVO, June 26 regular and EVO related to inter. Every batch completed and already examinations also over. Now we are in the CMA final and inter regular batches for the December 26 examinations. Yes, already group 3 done. Now here the group 1 done. So now the balance group 4 as well as the group 2 we have to start. So this is nothing but 1 year journey. I think we are going to celebrate first anniversary on the 21st 7 2026. I think next 2 to 3 days only. Yes. So now this is in position on the first day after the announcement of the batches, and actually we started the batches on 21st 6. 21st 6 2025. Now if you observe, yes, what is the present position of our institution? Yes, 7,547 online admissions. 7,547 online and face-to-face. Now, December 26 batch CMA final, we have near 100 admissions. 93 admissions we have. So, all together the face-to-face and online admissions, yes, we crossed 8,000 admissions within 1 year. Within this 1 year, we crossed 8,000 enrollments. Now, on the occasion of the first anniversary celebrations of Shikhara, we are going to announce 30% flat. 30% the flat discount on CMA final and CMA inter classes, either regular also, exam oriented batch classes also. These classes are useful for December 2026 examinations. Remember, 30% flat discount on the enter and final classes, either regular as well as EVO for December 2026. These are all the classes are in 100% English. Yes, if you want to claim this discount of 30%, the last date to claim is the 21st June 2026. Sir, how to purchase these classes, sir? You can visit to our website. Directly you can purchase the classes. And if you have any doubt related to the course purchase, yes, you can contact with this number. You can contact with this number. So, next one more important update I want to give from my side. Yes, these are the online classes related offers. Yes, that means on the occasion of first anniversary of Shikhara, we are announcing the flat 30% discount on all CMA final and CMA inter classes. Yes, this valid up to 21st. That means today is an 18, 19, 20, 21. Within these 4 days only you can claim this offer of 30%. Next, we are going to tell you one more important, yes, CMA final group 4 classes, CMA final group 4 classes, yes, is commencing from 29th June 2025, face-to-face classes, the live as well as recorded also. The same way, group 2 classes also commencing from the same date. Yes, 26, we can't do time travel, right? Okay. Now, yes, so this group 2 batch also, the face-to-face, the live as well as the recordeds are available. If you want to attend for these batches, you can contact with this 630-990-1213. Yes, this is our journey, and thank you, thank you, thank you.